So I know some of you know people that sew, or maybe you sew yourself. Here's where you can bring your machines to get fixed in the North Hills of Pittsburgh, Thornton Company.
And I may want to order one of the manuals if it's able to be fixed.
Okay.
Somebody gave it to me.
Okay.
But when you give me a call. What's the waiting time these days?
Well, you can see there's machines everywhere now, so probably a couple months you'll be on it, but
Well, I'm not in any hurry. I have one machine that works.
that's a good thing. Here, that's where that one.
Let's see. And if you go around the side, this river goes right under the building.